Welcome to Sable Finance. In this video, we're going to show you how to borrow USDS, repay debt, deposit USDS in the stability pool to earn, and how to stake SABLE-BNB LP on our app. To start with, you can type in sable.finance, which will lead you straight to our website. Click Launch App. Connect your wallet to enter our app. We will use MetaMask in this tutorial. Now, you can see the dashboard on our app. Click Open Trove to begin, and then you can enter your Trove details here. Enter the depositing amount of BNB and the borrowing amount of USDS. Remember that it requires borrowing a minimum of 100 USDS, and the collateral ratio must be greater than 110%. Note that a borrowing fee and liquidation reserve will be deducted from the borrowed USDS amount. It's recommended that the collateral ratio should be greater than 150% for the safety of your loans. Click Confirm once everything is checked out. Approve your transaction on the wallet extension. And you're done. You can now view your collateral, debt, and collateral ratio. Feel free to adjust the amount of collateral and debt in your position at any time. Click Confirm to proceed. If you wish to pay off your debt, make sure you have the sufficient amount of USDS in the same wallet to cover the debt. Go back to your Trove and click Close Trove. Then, approve the transaction on the wallet extension. By staking USDS in the stability pool, you can earn liquidation gains in the forms of collateral. Simply click Deposit in our dashboard and enter the amount of USDS you want to stake. After the transaction is approved, your BNB gain from liquidation will start to accrue. There are alternatives to earn a share from all the fees from Sable and more. Simply by staking SABLE-BNB LP by clicking on Start Staking. Click on Get SABLE-BNB LP, and you will be directed to our LP pool on the decentralized exchange to deposit for SABLE-BNB LP. Once you got the LP, return to the Staking tab, and put in the number of LP you would like to stake. Click Confirm. Proceed the transaction on wallet. Once it's been confirmed, you'll be able to accrue a share of earnings from all the fees collected by the protocol. Other than managing your own debts, you can also choose to liquidate other troves to claim the collateral. To do so, click Risky Trove. You will find troves in high liquidation risks here. If you choose to liquidate the trove, only payment with a coverage ratio lower than 110% will be accepted. Note that most of the liquidation is expected to be done by bots. For arbitrage trading the underlying collateral, click Redemption. Enter the amount of USDS you want to redeem, and you will receive the collateral in return, most likely at a lower market price. However, as the arbitraging window could happen in just a split second, the execution is mostly done by bots. That's our tutorial. To find out more about Sable Finance, visit our socials and contact our teams.